In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple turmeric lentil detox soup that will be perfect to eat for lunch or an evening meal. That will help rid your body of harmful toxins, that is super healthy and has lots of natural ingredients and body boosting qualities. I will explain the benefits of having this detox soup as part of a regular diet and how easy it is to prepare all in under an hour. This healthy meal consists of a number of simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1 cup of chopped celery, 1 chopped red onion, 1 cup fresh herbs or parsley, 1 cup of green or brown lentils, 1 cup of red lentils, 1 cup of chopped sweet potato, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of chopped turnip, 1 to 2 teaspoons of thyme, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, half a teaspoon red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 cup of almond milk, 4 cups of vegetable broth, half a teaspoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 5 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of organic honey and 2 glasses of water. Add all of the contents to a pan and mix until you have a consistent mixture, and then leave to simmer for around 40 minutes. This super simple detox soup will be a perfect addition to your healthy eating routine that will add lots of flavour and is packed full of nutrients that is perfect for sustaining energy levels throughout the day. This is a simple meal that doesn't take long to prepare and you will be amazed how great it actually tastes. That will be a great addition to your diet. It will help satisfy your appetite and leave you feeling fully energised. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to get you started. Again, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content. And as always, thanks for watching.